Happy Saturday, everybody. Today is Strategy Saturday, and the topic is what to track and what to let go of. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrola, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful. So you're doing everything right. You're eating low carb, you're prioritizing protein, maybe even strength training. Yet you're obsessively stepping on the scale and stressing over every macro and every ounce. Does that sound familiar? I understand. Tracking can be a very powerful tool, but only when it's used wisely. Here's the deal. Track what moves the needle. Protein intake, yes. Symptoms, yes. Blood sugar or ketones, if that's your thing, absolutely. But you don't need to track your weight every single day. The scale fluctuates based on water, hormones, and stress. And don't even get me started about tracking every microgram of spinach. Spinach is not causing a blood sugar spike or derailing your goals. It's not worth your mental energy. So here's what to focus on instead. Track protein to ensure you're hitting your daily minimums for muscle preservation and satiety. Track non-scale victories, better sleep, less joint pain, clearer skin, improved moods. Track how you feel. Did that meal energize you or did it leave you feeling sluggish? Let go of the things that aren't helping you course correct or celebrate wins. So here's today's golden nugget. A food journal that tracks your energy, your mood, and hunger can reveal more than any app or scale ever will. Awareness creates clarity, and clarity helps you stay the course. When I first started tracking keto years ago, I tracked everything to the gram. It quickly became stressful, but when I started focusing on protein, energy, and inflammation markers like blood pressure, I made more progress with less mental fatigue. I still track, but I'm intentional. My priorities, protein, symptoms, and how I feel. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by the data, pause and ask, is this really helping me or is it just stressing me out? Track what serves you. Let go of the rest. This has been your Daily Spoonful. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, reminding you your journey should feel freeing, not frustrating. You got this. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.